Hello everybody, welcome back. So I'm going to be starting a new, what do you call it? Palette focus. So for the month of December, I am going to be focusing on this mother big one. And I'm going to do as many looks as I possibly can because I'm not going to say how many looks I'm going to do because I'm probably going to fall behind and get busy with work. But, I mean, for Christmas, I figured why, why, why not? You know, get in the festive holiday spirit. You know what? This on camera and pictures is very pleasing. I'm not gonna lie. It is photogenically, aesthetically pleasing. Real life, I'm not gonna lie. I love Pat McGrath, don't get me wrong. But it's cool. I have these colors, but not in Pat McGrath quality. So, for today's look, I actually want to do something very, I don't know if anybody remembers, Bare Minerals was kind of like my first line. I have a soft spot for Bare Minerals, not the best, but I still got a soft spot for them. They had when they first started to come out with their compact foundation, and they started to come out with the eyeshadow quads and duos. They had a duo, I believe it was Standing Ovation. I'm pretty sure it could be wrong. This was like 11 years ago when I was working for Bare Minerals back in the day. And it was this beautiful, warm, neutral gold and this deep blue, which kind of reminds me of the navy. What is this even called? Navy, nocturnal navy. It's kind of like this one. And a little bit of this, but more warm. So I'm going to recreate that love that I had for that quad. And I used it on everybody. Smoky, for dinner, for night outs, and for New Year's. It was beautiful. So, let me go prep my eyes, and we will get into this tutorial. Alright, so eyes are prepped with the matte MAC Wow. MAC soft, the paint pot in soft orchid, whatever, soft orc. Yeah, so we are gonna get into this. So let me go in with the gold, which is called Jesus, Guilty Opulence. That one. Let me go ahead and do my finger and just put that on and literally all over the eyelid. Let's just do it all over the eyelid. Perfect. This is almost like an antique gold-ish type of thing. And obviously the other side. Perfect. Oh, this is like a very classic antique type of gold. Very, very holiday. These type of golds are actually very rare to find because they're either way too yellow or way too warm. This is actually a really good mixture of the antique with it at least still showing up a little bit. Actually like that. That is good. Let me go ahead and clean my brushes real quick. Right. So I went ahead and buffed out the edges just a smidge. Actually need to bring my mirror this way so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just buffing out the edges. And now, which I am so excited for, the nocturnal navy, the blue, the matte blue, the dark matte blue of this palette. I am over the moon about this color. Going in with a liner brush, obviously. Doing this. I'm trying to think of how far I want it to go out. Oof. Oof. Okay, here we go. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blau. Heel mooi blau. And this is like, oh, such a gorgeous blue. But I am not gonna lie, the one in the Bare Minerals was actually deeper. It was almost like a midnight blue. But this is giving me all the holiday vibes I need. Oh, this is so beautiful. And just begin to blend it out. And begin to create that depth. Smoky, smoky. Oh, look at that. That is yep. All kinds of yep for me. You know what? Pat McGrath came in with color this year, and she did not disappoint. Oh, that is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. I do think I still need some black, but we're gonna work with it. We will work with it. Perfect. Let me go and do the other side, and we'll be right back. So here we are. I went ahead and add a little bit of the extreme black just to darken the edges a little bit more, or the corners. And I mean, this is actually really cute. Very holiday-esque, especially the blue and gold. And actually for the brow bone, we're gonna go in with, what is it called? Golden Angelica, I think, on the warm tone side. Let's use the fingers and just begin to oh, that's cute. That's really nice. That is so cute. Oh my god. What are you doing to me, Ben? I actually should buy another one of these because I feel like this is going to be one of those palettes I'm going to continuously use a lot. And you know what? Why not? So we'll use a little bit of the Golden Angelica, just put it on top of what we already have. Oh, that just really takes everything to the next level. Okay. Alright, okay. Oh, she's saucy. She's coming in saucy. But this is where we are at. So let me go ahead and do my face. We will be back to see the final look. Don't know if I'm gonna add anything to the bottom or whatever, but see you guys in a moment. So here is the final look. Sorry, it's like four time is it? It's like barely 4 o'clock and it's already like so dark. Like this is how, oh, okay. There we go, ring lights off. So this is the final look of the nocturnal navy with the gilded angelic guilty guilty opulence, nocturnal navy, and the golden angelica. So basically the 2 golds and the blue with a little bit of the black from Mothership. And for lips, I actually have on Supermodel mixed with a little bit of Pillow Talk. Highlighter, Divine Rose. And the blush is Venusian Sunrise is what I have on for blush. That is literally all I have on. And I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Naked Rose Opulist. And I'm just putting this like right in the middle. The smell of this and the finish of this, I love. And to set my face, I went ahead and used the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This is starting to become my new favorite setting spray just because of the fact that Urban Decay got taken out from here. So, it has a very nice scent and it really feels tight, like it's really setting in the makeup. But tutorial number 1 with the Odyssey Nirvana Artistry palette. Artistry palette, Odyssey Nirvana, Celestial Nirvana. Yeah. So this is what the final look looks like. And I'm not going to tell you how many looks I'm going to be doing because I'm pretty sure I might fall behind and may not do as many looks as I plan to, like I did for October for the Celestial Odyssey. But there will be a lot of looks coming from this palette for the month of December. So for this first video, it is actually November. So this is how early I really start doing my palette focuses. But yeah, we're going to dive into it. This is definitely a lot more colorful than the last year's. Last year's Odyssey, Celestial Odyssey palette, I do love. Great, beautiful jewel tones. It's very complementary to the palettes you have, in my honest opinion, and the greens in those, the Nirvana and the Citrine Envy, finito. But as usual, if you want to see the final looks, edited everything, go to my makeup Instagram page, and let's see how many more of these looks we will be coming with. But actually for this, I'm going to do some videos like this, and I'll be doing a lot more other videos where it's just with the music and just step by step of how I really create more of those eye looks. And with me up close, I mean, oh heaven, ooh, I like. But I will see you guys next video. Holiday season has officially begun for me. I like when holiday begins in December. Yeah.